Rule number 1. Roses are red, violets are blue. I'm a future millionaire, my dreams will come true. Now, by watching that video may sound inspiring, and it may have motivated you to become rich, but I must tell you that becoming a millionaire is not just about luxury cars, watches, or mansions. Becoming a millionaire takes a lot of effort, dedication, hard work, consistency, and most importantly, discipline. So my question to you is, do you have what it takes? Are you willing to turn down your friends when they texted you to go to the club or have drinks? Are you willing to sacrifice what you have now for a brighter future? Are you willing to eliminate all distractions? Would you be able to handle all the stress? Are you willing to put in the hard work and sacrifice behind closed doors for more doors to open in the future? If your answers to those questions are yes, then you better get to it. As always, I am rooting for you, and I will see you at the top. Or will I?